Hello, teacher. My name is Caterine. Conversation about a problem you have with at the beach. And 2022, I bought a plasma television and recognized store and my city and after 13 months it was damaged. It did not want to turn on the warranty were expiring. So I to the technician and they told me that the part that was damaged are very expensive and it was difficult to get. For this reason, I sold it at lost price. Thank you. Bye bye.